Are you ready to pass your U.S. citizenship test and interview? Many immigrants worry about studying, but you do not need to. With free USCIS study tools, you can prepare for the exam from home. Let's go through the 128 Civics Test questions and simple answers step by step.
This is the official USCIS 128 Civics Test in random order for applicants who file Form N-400 on or after October 20, 2025.
Let's begin.
Many documents influenced the U.S. Constitution. Name one.
Declaration of Independence.
Declaration of Independence.
The nation's first motto was E pluribus unum. What does that mean?
We all become one.
We all become one.
Name one power of the U.S. Congress.
Writes laws.
Writes laws.
The colonists came to America for many reasons. Name one.
Freedom.
Freedom.
Name two important ideas from the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution.
Equality. Liberty.
Equality. Liberty.
Martin Luther King Jr. is famous for many things. Name one.
Fought for civil rights.
Fought for civil rights.
What part of the federal government writes laws?
U.S. Congress.
U.S. Congress.
What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803?
Louisiana.
Louisiana.
What is the economic system of the United States?
Capitalism.
Capitalism.
The U.S. Constitution starts with the words, "We the people." What does "we the people" mean?
Self-government.
Self-government.
The words life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are in what founding document?
Declaration of Independence.
Declaration of Independence.
How many senators does each state have?
2.
2.
What is the rule of law?
Everyone must follow the law.
Everyone must follow the law.
Name one leader of the women's rights movement in the 1800s.
Susan B. Anthony.
Susan B. Anthony.
What is Independence Day?
The country's birthday.
The country's birthday.
Name one power that is only for the federal government.
Print paper money.
Print paper money.
The President of the United States is in charge of which branch of government?
Executive branch.
Executive branch.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
Because there were 13 original colonies.
How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
100.
Who does a U.S. senator represent?
Citizens of their state.
Citizens of their state.
How long is a term for a U.S. senator?
6 years.
6 years.
Who can vote in federal elections, run for federal office, and serve on a jury in the United States?
Citizens.
Citizens.
How many voting members are in the House of Representatives?
435.
435.
How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have?
27.
27.
Name one power that is only for the states.
Give a driver's license.
Give a driver's license.
Why does each state have 2 senators?
Equal representation for small states.
Equal representation for small states.
Some states have more representatives than other states. Why?
Because they have more people.
Because they have more people.
What war did the Americans fight to win independence from Britain?
American Revolution.
American Revolution.
What are the 2 parts of the U.S. Congress?
Senate and House of Representatives.
Senate and House of Representatives.
Who does a member of the House of Representatives represent?
Citizens in their district.
Citizens in their district.
Why is it important to pay federal taxes?
Required by law.
Required by law.
The President of the United States is elected for how many years?
4 years.
4 years.
Who is Commander-in-Chief of the U.S. military?
The President of the United States.
The President of the United States.
How can people become United States citizens?
Naturalize.
Naturalize.
What does the Bill of Rights protect?
The basic rights of Americans.
The basic rights of Americans.
If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president?
The Vice President of the United States.
The Vice President of the United States.
What does the judicial branch do?
Reviews laws.
Reviews laws.
Abraham Lincoln is famous for many things. Name one.
Freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation.
Freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation.
How long is a term for a member of the House of Representatives?
2 years.
2 years.
Who signs bills to become laws?
The President of the United States.
The President of the United States.
Name the U.S. war between the North and the South.
The Civil War.
The Civil War.
How are changes made to the U.S. Constitution?
Amendments.
Amendments.
What does the President's Cabinet do?
Advises the President of the United States.
Advises the President of the United States.
How many seats are on the Supreme Court?
9.
9.
When was the Declaration of Independence adopted?
July 4th, 1776.
July 4th, 1776.
Why is the Electoral College important?
It decides who is elected president.
It decides who is elected president.
How long do Supreme Court justices serve?
For life.
For life.
Name one power of the President.
Vetoes bills.
Vetoes bills.
What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The United States.
The United States.
How many Supreme Court justices are usually needed to decide a case?
5.
5.
During the Cold War, what was one main concern of the United States?
Communism.
Communism.
Supreme Court justices serve for life. Why?
To be independent of politics.
To be independent of politics.
What is the highest court in the United States?
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Dwight Eisenhower is famous for many things. Name one.
General during World War II.
General during World War II.
Name two promises that new citizens make in the oath of allegiance.
Obey the laws of the United States. Be loyal to the United States.
Obey the laws of the United States. Be loyal to the United States.
When did the Great Depression start?
The Great Crash 1929.
The Great Crash 1929.
What is the purpose of the 10th Amendment?
It states that the powers not given to the federal government belong to the states or to the people.
It states that the powers not given to the federal government belong to the states or to the people.
Name the three branches of government.
Congress, President, and the courts.
Congress, President, and the courts.
Who elects U.S. senators?
Citizens from their state.
Citizens from their state.
Why did the United States enter the Vietnam War?
To stop the spread of communism.
To stop the spread of communism.
There are 4 amendments to the U.S. Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them.
Citizens 18 and older can vote.
Citizens 18 and older can vote.
Why do U.S. representatives serve shorter terms than U.S. senators?
To more closely follow public opinion.
To more closely follow public opinion.
What are 3 rights of everyone living in the United States?
Freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of religion.
Freedom of expression. Freedom of speech. Freedom of religion.
George Washington is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of our country.
Father of our country.
What is the form of government of the United States?
Republic.
Republic.
What is one way Americans can serve their country?
Vote.
Vote.
What is one part of the judicial branch?
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
It is important for all men age 18 through 25 to register for the Selective Service. Name one reason why.
Required by law.
Required by law.
Who elects members of the House of Representatives?
Citizens from their congressional district.
Citizens from their congressional district.
Why were the Federalist Papers important?
They helped people understand the U.S. Constitution.
They helped people understand the U.S. Constitution.
Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived?
American Indians.
American Indians.
What is Veterans Day?
A holiday to honor people in the U.S. military.
A holiday to honor people in the U.S. military.
What group of people was taken and sold as slaves?
Africans.
Africans.
The American Revolution had many important events. Name one.
Declaration of Independence.
Declaration of Independence.
What is the supreme law of the land?
U.S. Constitution.
U.S. Constitution.
Name one reason why the Americans declared independence from Britain.
High taxes.
High taxes.
Benjamin Franklin is famous for many things. Name one.
U.S. diplomat.
U.S. diplomat.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
Thomas Jefferson.
What amendment gives citizenship to all persons born in the United States?
14th Amendment.
14th Amendment.
Who vetoes bills?
The President of the United States.
The President of the United States.
What founding document was written in 1787?
U.S. Constitution.
U.S. Constitution.
The Civil War had many important events. Name one.
Emancipation Proclamation.
Emancipation Proclamation.
James Madison is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of the Constitution.
Father of the Constitution.
Why does the flag have 50 stars?
Because there are 50 states.
Because there are 50 states.
Thomas Jefferson is famous for many things. Name one.
Writer of the Declaration of Independence.
Writer of the Declaration of Independence.
Name one American Indian tribe in the United States.
Crow.
Crow.
Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin Roosevelt.
Franklin Roosevelt.
Alexander Hamilton is famous for many things. Name one.
First Secretary of the Treasury.
First Secretary of the Treasury.
What is Memorial Day?
A holiday to honor soldiers who died in military service.
A holiday to honor soldiers who died in military service.
What was the Great Depression?
Longest economic recession in modern history.
Longest economic recession in modern history.
What founding document said the American colonies were free from Britain?
Declaration of Independence.
Declaration of Independence.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
Freed the slaves.
Name one thing the U.S. Constitution does.
Forms the government.
Forms the government.
When did all men get the right to vote?
After the Civil War.
After the Civil War.
Why did the United States enter the Korean War?
To stop the spread of communism.
To stop the spread of communism.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s.
World War I.
World War I.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s.
Civil War.
Civil War.
When did all women get the right to vote?
After World War I.
After World War I.
What U.S. war ended slavery?
The Civil War.
The Civil War.
What did the Civil Rights Movement do?
Fought to end racial discrimination.
Fought to end racial discrimination.
Why did the United States enter World War II?
Bombing of Pearl Harbor.
Bombing of Pearl Harbor.
Why did the United States enter the Persian Gulf War?
To force the Iraqi military from Kuwait.
To force the Iraqi military from Kuwait.
What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
Terrorists attacked the United States.
Name one example of an American innovation.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Where is the Statue of Liberty?
New York Harbor.
New York Harbor.
Who was the United States' main rival during the Cold War?
Russia.
Russia.
What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
The Star-Spangled Banner.
What are two examples of civic participation in the United States?
Vote. Run for office.
Vote. Run for office.
Who appoints federal judges?
The President of the United States.
The President of the United States.
Why is the Declaration of Independence important?
It says America is free from British control.
It says America is free from British control.
There were 13 original states. Name 5.
New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina,
New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina.
Name 1 U.S. military conflict after the September 11th, 2001 attacks.
War in Iraq.
War in Iraq.
What is the capital of the United States?
Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C.
The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers.
James Madison.
James Madison.
Name 3 national U.S. holidays.
Memorial Day, Independence Day, Veterans Day.
Memorial Day, Independence Day, Veterans Day.
There are 3 branches of government. Why?
Separation of powers.
Separation of powers.
The President of the United States can serve only 2 terms. Why?
To keep the president from becoming too powerful.
To keep the president from becoming too powerful.
What are 2 cabinet-level positions?
Secretary of Labor. Secretary of State.
Secretary of Labor. Secretary of State.
The executive branch has many parts. Name 1.
President of the United States.
President of the United States.
What is the name of the President of the United States now?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump.
Why did the United States enter World War I?
Because Germany attacked U.S. civilian ships.
Because Germany attacked U.S. civilian ships.
What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now?
J.D. Vance.
J.D. Vance.
Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now?
John Roberts.
John Roberts.
What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now?
Mike Johnson.
Mike Johnson.
Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now?
Answers will vary. Please send us a message, and we will help you with an answer.
What is the capital of your state?
Answers will vary. Please send us a message, and we will help you with an answer.
Name your U.S. representative.
Answers will vary. Please send us a message, and we will help you with an answer.
Who is the governor of your state now?
Answers will vary. Please send us a message, and we will help you with an answer.
If you need help to know your local state representative, governor, senators, and state capital, please send us a message below.